E-test creation. At the end of the video, you'll be able to creating an e-test on the Blackboard system, creating multiple choice questions in the e-test, creating essay questions in the e-test, creating true and false questions in the e-test. You can use tests to measure student performance and measure their progress. To add a test to a content area, go to the Assignments and Tests page from the main menu of the course, and from the Assessments menu, select Test. Create a new test by pressing Create New Test or selecting one of the existing tests to publish it. After creating the test, type a name, description, and instructions for the test and press Submit. From the test panel, you can add questions by clicking on the Create Question menu and choosing from the types of questions in the list. To create a multiple choice question, choose Multiple Choice in the question text Add Question box. Then choose the numbering of answers from the drop-down list, then select how to display the answers to students, either vertically or horizontally. You can allow partial credit to be awarded, and you can show answers in random order to each student. The Answers section. Select the number of choices for the answer, fill in the fields with possible answers, and select the correct answer. In the Feedback section, optionally you can add notes which will be displayed in response to correct answers and wrong answers. Categories, levels of difficulty, topics, and keywords are sample metadata that is added to questions for easier retrieval in searches, for creating question sets, or for using questions from pools. Click Add to add a category, topic, difficulty level, or keyword to the question. Click the X icon to remove it. Or click on any existing entry to access a full list of categories, topics, difficulty levels, or keywords. Then click Submit to continue, or click Submit and create another to save this question and create another question of the same type. Essay questions require students to type an answer into a text box, and you have to grade these questions manually. From the Create Question menu, choose Essay. On the Create/Edit Essay Question page, type the text of the question. You can write directly into the editor or paste a question from another application, such as Notepad or text editor. Optionally, a sample answer can be written. Click Add to add categories and keywords. Choose Submit and create another or Submit to add the question to the test. Create True/False questions. From the Create Question menu, choose True/False. Write the question in the form of a statement that students can answer true or false. From the Answers section, select the correct answer, true or false. From the Options section, select whether the answer format is vertical or horizontal. The answer choices are limited to the words true and false. Optionally, write a comment for correct and incorrect answers. Choose Submit and create another or Submit to add the question to the test. When the questions are completed, put in front of each question the possible points, i.e. grades, for each question. Then press OK. After creating the quizzes, the next step is to publish the quiz and make it available to students from the current page. Choose the quiz from the list, and then choose Submit. The Exam Options page will open for you to edit as you wish, including making the test available, placing the test announcement on the bulletin board, due dates for the tests, and then pressing Submit. We have learned in this video: creating an e-test on the Blackboard system, creating multiple choice questions in the e-test, creating essay questions in the e-test, creating true and false questions in the e-test.